Okay, so this is going to be the Precision Accuracy Lab, how to do the graphs in Google Sheets. I was approached by a student saying that we have it. Obviously, you have not done these before, which I didn't take into consideration. So, with my Google Classroom message, okay, I had mentioned that you have to do 4 graphs for the four that you did. Okay. So in order for us to get this right, okay, we're going to go through, I'm going to do a video and show you how to make these graphs to make it a little more streamlined for you as a whole. Okay. So when we're looking at our lab here, now you should have done a 3 meter distance, a 5 meter distance for group one, so one group, and then a 3 meter distance, 5 meter distance for group two. Hence, there being 4 charts. Now, once you have, well, obviously, I do have an example down here in the bottom, kind of the graph that I'm looking for, and then a chart if we were to do 5 of the trials. So each one of these numbers in here represents the centimeters away from the bullseye that we had found. So when you are in, so what you're going to want to do is you will highlight this with whatever data you have in there. Okay. You'll copy it and then you will paste it into sheets. So I will copy the first 5 here. So you're going to copy your 5 rows. You'll copy it. Okay. Which will you do with one of these? You'll go over here and then you will paste it into Google Sheets. Okay. Now, once you have this data, okay, you're going to go ahead, click and highlight all of them. Oh, come on. Highlight all of them, and then you'll go up to insert at the top, insert, and we'll go to chart. And then this will pop up. Now, what your title should be here. Now, over on the side, you will get a chart editor that comes up. If you do lose it, what you can do is you can click on this, and then you can go here, and then you can hit edit chart. So you will see when you click on it, the 3 dots up here, click that and hit edit chart, and it will bring the sidebar up. You don't want to go to setup because it already should have this up for you. Okay, if it doesn't, you'll hit this and hit your selected column chart. So I don't want this one or this one. This is the one we're looking for. Okay, then you will go over to customize your chart style. You don't have to adjust any of that, and except for, oh no, you don't have to adjust any of it. So you'll go to chart and axes title. Okay, so under first, we're going to be selecting our title. Okay, what this should be, okay, is what you want to write is. So for this one, for the first one, it would be 3 meter with a colon saying group 1. Okay, so that'll be for that one. Now, if it was a different one, the other ones would be 5 meter group 1, or you'd have 3 meter group 2, or 5 meter group 2. So for this instance, we're going to do 3 meter group 1. Okay. Now, once you have that ready, set and go. I don't know if that'll change the black. So it's gray, that's fine. Then you're going to hit this drop down menu and hit horizontal axis title. Okay. What this is going to do is pull up the bottom one. Okay. That is going to, title for that will be trial number. Okay. Once you have that, you can go to your vertical axis title. Okay. That is going to be distance from bullseye. Okay. Now, this is what you should have. Okay. So what it shows is the trial number. So we are going to take that out. Now, in order to do that, you're going to go under legend. Okay. Oh, no, wrong one. Series, sorry. You're going to take this one out. Okay. Now, where is it? I want to take that out altogether. Okay. That number we're going to have to ignore. Oh, there it goes. Okay. We'll leave that in for now. So this is what your final chart should look like. Okay, so that is for each one. There should be 4 total charts completely, 1 for each, or 4 total graphs, 1 for each chart that we made with the data we collected in class. Okay, so once you have this, you go ahead. Oh, no. This one, you will copy chart. You'll come over to your lab, and then you'll go under this question, or you will create a new Google Doc. which is what I would likely do because you're going to have 4 charts total. You'll copy and paste this in, link to spreadsheet, so whether you have it, then paste it in, and then that will be your data.
Well, we're back.